In today's video, we're gonna dive deep into my weekly reset routine, and I'm going to guide you through everything that I do to have a good start in the week. We need a huge reset now. I like to start my weekly reset on a Sunday morning, so that way when I'm done I have the remaining of Sunday to just relax. So I start by applying a hair oil on my scalp and on my hair as well to let it sit. Then I go on a Hot Girl Walk podcast. I love these, you guys know. I just put on my headphones and go for a walk, and I play a motivating podcast. When it comes to the order of which I clean my space, I usually start by tidying up, and then I wipe the surfaces, vacuum the floor, and I end up mopping the floor. The last step of my physical reset is resetting myself, but before I go and have like an everything shower, I am going to prepare a little mixture because I'm going to detoxify my hair. Basically, I'm going to give it a good scrub, and this is something I don't do weekly, but this is something I like to do now, like every new season, especially when we like get out of summer. Like during summer we accumulate so much like oils, like of course we sweat, and even though you wash your hair, like we can accumulate build up on our scalps. So I'm going to detoxify my scalp by giving it a good scrub that I'm going to do myself with some coffee, apple cider vinegar, and then I have some apple cider vinegar diluted with some water in a spray bottle. After I wash my hair, I'm just going to spritz it on my scalp, leave it for a little bit, and then rinse it off. Yeah, that's how I'm going to, you know, reset my scalp for the new season as well. Before I go into the shower, what I like to do is mop the floor, so that way it can like dry when I'm showering, and that way I don't have, you know, to tiptoe around or just be stuck in one room. Oh my god, you guys, I feel so clean, and my scalp, when I'm done with like the scrub and the leave-in apple cider vinegar, it feels so clean. It feels like a true reset. I'm actually going to moisturize my body, and then I'm going to scrub my face, apply a nice clay mask. Also, I wanted to share this recipe for a scalp scrub, or like even like I used it for my body as well. It's just like a coffee scrub. So you basically take coffee, not instant coffee, please take some grounded coffee, you know, put a little bit of this and then some coconut oil and then I added some apple cider vinegar, and the rest was just water to make like a good, you know, consistency. So you should have a paste like this one. The entire bathroom smells like coffee, which I love it. So I don't actually have any cream right now. I'm going to use this random oil. And apparently it's good to use oils, like especially after you just like had a nice everything shower, you shaved, you scrubbed. Like apparently having a nice oil is better than like a butter or a cream. See, wait. Just going to moisturize my body with this. I feel so clean right now, and this is exactly what I needed when we enter a new season, like especially when I go from summer to fall. I feel like I need an entire reset of my space, my body, everything. You just wanna like have a fresh start. Just have one last cleaning step to do, and it is to just clean my electronics, like my laptop, just my desk in general, because I do work from home, I do work from my desk all week long. I'm not filming, I am mostly at my desk working. I also eat sometimes at my desk. I eat my breakfast at my desk, so I like to have it very clean, and I feel so good right now. I'm back on my routine. I did a huge reset and I feel so ready to start a new week. I feel so creative, I feel so inspired to inspire you guys. Anyways, let's clean the desk now. I am so tired, but I'm so glad that we managed to do everything. I'm clean, the house is clean, and now I'm about to cook dinner. What I love about reset days is the fact that in my mind I am starting new, I am starting fresh, so I'm getting back on track. And I love just making a healthy meal, especially dinner. I feel like it's the last meal of the day, and like it wraps very nicely the day. And then tomorrow when I wake up, I'm already in this rhythm of like I'm eating healthy, like everything's clean, you know what I mean? I have this sweet potato. Wait, why? Oh, I know why. Because I didn't want to flash you guys. So I have this sweet potato that is a little old, but it's okay. So we're gonna bake this in the oven, and I'm going to do my favorite thing, which is halloumi. If you guys don't know halloumi, it's basically some type of like cheese that looks like mozzarella, but you grill it, and it's very high in protein. They use it in Greece to like make wraps and stuff, and it's like a good protein intake, and it's so yummy. I actually had it when we were in Turkey, and like I was obsessed, I was hooked. It's just the best thing ever. So I'm going to make this and some halloumi and a salad. It it is the next day and I got ready. I'm going to put some jewelry. Actually, it's a Wednesday, so usually I would not get ready. I would not put on jewelry or anything like that. But we're acting as if it was a Monday morning. So what you just saw before in the vlog was me resetting on a Sunday. And then that way on Monday, I just, you know, wake up to my morning routine. Usually I go for a workout like in the morning, but I don't have the time today because it's actually a Wednesday. So I'm gonna do a little like spooky spiritual girl, Pinterest girly kind of vibe today, because I like, even though it's like an admin day, so it's just a lot of planning, a lot of like emailing and stuff like that, I like to feel like, you know, presentable, especially like a cute little office outfit. I love it. Yeah, on a Monday I actually do everything like admin. I plan my content, so I'm going to show you how I plan my content for the week. Okay, so my outfit today is so cute. As I said, I'm going for like an office but spiritual girly kind of vibe, kind of like witchy, so we get into the, you know, fall mood. This top actually is so cute. Let me just show you. It's so cute, and it's actually my friend's top. Like, she gave this to me because it didn't fit her. The sleeves are a little short because she's shorter and thinner than me, so obviously like it's not really, it doesn't suit perfectly, but it was too big for her, and like for me it's just the sleeves, so it's fine. So I have this, I have a pair of jeans, and I have like a cute little ribbon in my hair, and this is like the jewelry situation with this. Okay, anyways, let's get into the topic. I'm actually going to start by watering the plants because this is also something that I try to be more mindful of. I almost forgot to spray some perfume. Again, I'm on my own today, but I love smelling good. I don't know, there's something about it that makes me feel put together and like I'm ready to start the day. So I'm using this Sol de Janeiro. Is the 68. It's very summery, but I want to finish it actually because I find that perfumes or like sprays like this, they turn bad after a while, and I don't want to wait until next summer to use it. So I'm going to just finish it now, and it's fine. It smells good. I made myself a little mix of nuts and berries, so it's like cashew nuts, cranberries and goji berries that are very good for antioxidants. So yeah, I just have like a bag of each and I make my own mixture. I'm going to snack on these while I'm working on my laptop. Also, I'm going to moisturize my hands because I hate having like dry hands, especially if I'm looking at them when I'm typing and stuff. I hate it. I'm actually using this one. It used to be like a body butter. You guys probably saw it if you saw my old vlogs, like old fall vlogs. Actually a body butter, but I do have just a little bit left, so just for the hands it's perfect. I have my water, I have snacks, I have moisturized hands. I feel ready to start working. Okay, if you guys could see the setup right now, I'm actually using my phone as a ring light. It's working quite well actually. I'm surprised I haven't thought about it before. Okay, so first I go on my Notion and I go to my agenda tab, and here, as you can see, I already did it this morning. I make a list of everything I need to do today. On Monday it's usually admin, replying to emails, planning content and scripting content. I used to also script a podcast, like just the outline. I don't really go in depth, but I don't have this right now. And for those who are wondering when I will be back on the podcast, the answer is I don't know. I'm gonna be fully transparent with you guys. I don't have the budget right now to add a podcast host, and it's totally fine. I loved doing the podcast. It's not a forever goodbye, like I'm definitely gonna be back on podcasting, but for now I really want to focus on my YouTube and other socials, but especially my YouTube, because this is the only like big thing that I want, is having a community here on YouTube, which I'm super happy because we are growing, and I'm so happy that you're here, and hopefully you can get the best out of this channel. So okay, once I'm done with my to-do list, I go to my month overview and see like things that I have to do, if it's like an appointment, if I have to meet some friends. This is like just my life, you know. This is not related to my content at all. Like you won't find something like filming this or filming that. Like this is just like for my life solely. Then I just give a quick glance to my goals. I like to set myself goals for the week, like each week. When this is done, I like to go to my content calendar. Obviously, in the meantime, I reply to emails and stuff. I do some emailing. Every week I like to change this. It's the week's inspo. So what am I inspired by this week? Like what kind of content do I want to make? It changes with my mood, to be honest. And then I have my checklist, and let me tell you, it is a game changer. Have a checklist for your weekly to-dos because it changed my life. I'm so much more productive now. Then I go over the calendar, so the actual calendar with all of my content that is to film, to post, to edit, and then I just update the things. So for example, this one I posted, I still need to post it on other socials, but I did upload it, so it's easy to go back and just, you know, re-upload it to other socials. So, and then I actually do this in the afternoon, but I like to sit down and have, you know, the creative juice flowing, and I script some content, I write new ideas. So for example, I had this idea for a video, so I will just, you know, type the idea for the video, I go ahead and write what it is about, and then I just tag it as an idea. I go back afterwards and do scripting, so I script what is gonna happen in this piece of content, you know. I have this tab which I don't actually use weekly, but kind of, it depends actually. This one is open to, you know, if I have more ideas but I don't want to put them in the calendar yet, I'll just put them over here. So I have for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and podcast. Pretty much it for when I schedule my content. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys, and yeah, I'm going to move to actually doing it now. So yeah, that's everything I do to reset on a Sunday and how I prep for the upcoming week as a content creator. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was inspiring and that it motivated you to also reset your week and start fresh. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and if you're still here, please comment down below a bunny emoji so that I will know you're a real little bun. I will see you all next week. Please take care. Bye!